CVC words. Consonant, vowel, consonant.
Welcome to Ken's Kids channel.
Hello everyone, my name is Pinky Bunny. And today we're going to learn CVC words with final sound T, like the word fit. Oh, I love to fit this new dress. It's so nice. Oh, hi there, Pinky Bunny. Come on, I'm ready to read the CVC words Oh yes, Bubbly Bear. Come on, let's go. Teacher Lenny and Ken are waiting for us. Come on, kids, let's go.
Before we read the CVC words, let's practice the two-letter blends with short vowel sound I. B, C, D, F, G, H, G, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, C, T, V, W, Y, Z.
It's time for you to do it all by yourself. You can do it.
CVC words with final sound T, T, T.
Now let's begin.
Kit, kit. Kit, kit. Kit. Feet, fit. Feet, fit. Fit. Seat, sit. Seat, sit. Sit. Heat, hit. Heat, hit. Hit. Lit, lit. Lit, lit, lit. Bit, 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 bit. Pit, 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 pit. Repeat after me. Kit, kit. Kit, kit. Fit, fit. Fit, fit. Sit, sit. Sit, sit. Hit, hit. Hit, hit. Lit, lit. Lit, lit. Bit, bit. Bit, bit. Pit, pit. Pit, pit. Can you help Bubbly Bear find the word sit? Sit. Yes, it's in the yellow balloon. Can you help Bubbly Bear find the word kit? Kit, kit. Yes, it's in the orange balloon. Great job! Now, can you help Bubbly Bear find the word pit? Is it in the orange balloon? No! Where is it? Yes, it's in the green balloon. You did such an amazing job today. Great job!
Yippee! Thank you so much for learning with us.
Don't forget to subscribe